please like and subscribe. I promise I won't send a lot of notifications. Alright, it's January 2023, and I just got this LTE Network Extender from Verizon Wireless because my cell signal absolutely sucks here. Right now I've got 3 bars, no 4G on my phone. Here's what you get. So you get this box, you get the unit itself. I think this is going to be the power cable in here, but the cool thing is it has all your instructions right here, so this should be super easy. Yeah, so look at that, we got a power cable. They actually gave us an Ethernet cable, pretty long one too. And some little clippy guys. I'm not able to get this to a window or anything, but it looks to me like I can unscrew this right here. Here's the antenna itself right here. And I think I actually have a pipe that runs outside of my house. I think there's enough cable in here where I can actually run this outside and stick this antenna outside, plug it in, set it next to my router, and see what happens. Let's give that a shot, and we'll see what kind of signal we get afterwards. And if I've got enough cable, or if I just wasted my time. What do you think? Partner, you ready to pull some wire? Okay, maybe not. He's sleeping. I'll do it myself. I decided to leave that receiver outside, pull this cable all the way inside so that it could reach my router easily. We'll see what happens. I'll show you what the outside looks like. Alright, so there it is. I already had that ugly pole coming down the back of my house, so I've adhesived it to there. I did lick my finger and clean the post off before I put it on there. Just so you know, the cable on this antenna is 22 feet long. Now this just screws back onto here, and there's a little notch right here, so when I put this plate back on, you don't have to worry about crushing it. The Ethernet cord plugged into my router, and it's all plugged into my dedicated outlet right there. Oh boy. Plug that guy in. Now we just need power. Look at that, beautiful, right there. All right, got it plugged in. It's doing its connect thing. It says once it's connected, I have to dial pound 48 to see if it's connected. Searching for GPS signal. Wait 10 minutes. I'm gonna go walk my dog, come back, see what happens. But let me just explain to you what happens here. You plug this thing in, it goes through its sequence. It goes out, finds GPS, hits it, then it connects to a server, and then when it hits the server, it updates the software, then it reboots itself, and then it starts the sequence all over again, and then you get that service active message that I just got. If you press this button, it gives you a bunch of information about my router and MAC address and all that, so I'm not going to do that, but that's what happens. So the next step is to dial pound 48 and see if it works. All right, I just did it. I dialed pound 48. It said I'm under LTE 4G Network Extender coverage, so I'll take a screenshot, then we'll end this video, and pretty cool.